Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your OnlyFans account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your OnlyFans account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in onlyfans.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for OnlyFans login on the Google itself and hit enter. You can see the onlyfans.com available on the first result of Google. Click over there, and since both of these websites are same, let's wait for this page to load, and you can see both of these websites are same. Let's close one of these. Now, to log into your OnlyFans account, you'll be required to enter your email over here and then enter your password over there, and after that click on login to sign into your OnlyFans account. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password to go through a procedure where you can retrieve your password, or you can see the sign up for OnlyFans over here. When you click on there, you'll be able to go to the procedure where you can sign up for OnlyFans account from over here, and also you can sign into the OnlyFans account with your Twitter, your Google and your Windows Hello login available over here. And you can see this opens the page for Google account. If you sign in through your Google, you will be continuing to the OnlyFans with your Google account, and this is from the Twitter account. When you enter your username or email of your Twitter and password of Twitter, then you will be logged into the OnlyFans account with your Twitter. And there guys, this is how you log into your OnlyFans account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.